What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in today's video I'm going to unbox this massive home theater system. As you can see it right here. Well, I have unboxed some soundbars and speakers before, but this is an amazing home theater system, and you'll find it better than any soundbar, the sound effects and all, mainly the surrounds. So why I'm telling you this, I'm gonna disclose this thing later on this video, so stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel, and if you like my work, you can donate anything to my channel. You'll find the payment links, the GPay and all in the description below. So now let's start the video. So this is ZEBRONICS 5.1 speaker BT8591. That's the model number. It's a 5.1 channel system, and the point is this is not a very new model. It's kind of a little bit of old model, like more than 1 year, maybe 2 years, like that. But this thing is an amazing home theater, so you're gonna find out. So let's just unbox this thing and take all the things out of the box, and then you're gonna see. Okay, so this is going to be a second time unboxing of this thing. As you know, the Flipkart is providing the open box delivery. So whenever the product is delivered, they open the box and show you the product, and then pack this thing up. So this is the second time unboxing I'm doing, but for the first time on YouTube. So here they get the main unit, the subwoofer at the top, and then this packet with remote control and cords and all. I'm going to show you. And then at the bottom get all the channel speakers. There they are. Let me take all of them out of the box. So here in that packet you get nice remote control with all the controls. Buttons are there separately. You can control the front speaker, center speaker, subwoofer, rear speakers and all, which is a very nice thing. And then you get this RCA cord, and that's the user manual, a very big one, I guess. So you get the QR code here and scan it. It'll go directly to the ZEBRONICS website, and you will get the manual right there. And then you get this speaker wall mount brackets. Plastic brackets are right there. If you want to mount them, you're gonna mount these brackets to the speakers first. So this is kind of optional, so you can use it or you don't need to use it. That's a nice thing. And this is the antenna for FM, and the last one, RCA to 3.5 mm converter jack socket right there. For this RCA cord right there, they have given the RCA to RCA cord, so you can use it to a source to the RCA, or you can connect this converter on one side and you can connect it to your mobile phone or PC, laptop, whatever you want. So that's it. So now let's take this all plastic film, moved. Okay. Nice smell. I like the smell of new electronics product, as you know. So here at the front you get this infinity volume control, so totally digitally controlled knob is there, which I like. So you can control the volume from here and also from remote control at the same time. So that's the nice thing. And here is the design you can see. So at the top you get this ZEBRONICS logo, and here the buttons are there all around the volume control knob. At the top you get the 5.1 and 2.1 selection button. Then here you get the channel and next button, and there you get the channel plus or next button, channel for the FM, and here the channel minus and the previous button. And at the bottom you get this auto and play and pause button, and here you get the USB socket right there. That's the front panel. And on the right side you get this two mic ports there, so you can connect a microphone. You can use two microphones at the same time. And here you get the 6.5-inch subwoofer driver. And on the left side you get this air passing port at the top front. So that's it. So this is the back side, and the nice thing is there you get all this RCA output for the 5-channel speakers, and here the on-off switch and the power cord. And here comes the input. Here at the top you get this RCA left and right, and then below that you get the DVD audio input, front left, front right, center subwoofer, surround left, surround right, all separately you can connect from your DVD or any Dolby audio converter. So that's a very nice thing you'll get. If you connect them, then you'll get Dolby audio from there. Here at the top you get the FM antenna socket, and the nice thing you'll get in this price range is the HDMI ARC and the optical input, which is right here. So this is the antenna cord. You just need to connect it right here and leave the cord somewhere. So that's it. Now the important thing in this thing is this part. As you can see, this is a digital input part, which you wouldn't get in any home theater in this price range. That's why I like this home theater. That's the nice thing. Now the point I told you, this is better than any soundbar, because in the soundbar you connect the soundbar to the HDMI ARC, and only Dolby content provide you the actual surround effect, the left and right, what to say, the sound moves from left to right, right to left, something like that. But in normal cases the surround speakers works as like chorus kind of sound, not separately works like that. So in this case this thing has the Dolby Pro logic, which is the most important thing we miss in any home theater system. We just go for Dolby Audio, Dolby Atmos and all, but we forget the Dolby Pro logic, which provides you the excellent surround sound experience. Like exactly the sound moves with the picture, like when like you are watching movies, someone is shouting from the left side of the screen, then the sound will come from the left surround speaker very loud, and when some noise is there on the right side close to the screen, then that will come from the right surround. So that separate thing, that thing don't work with all the soundbars and all, except you watch any Dolby content like Netflix and all. But in this case you provided any RC input, and that will provide you that 5.1 surround experience. So that's why I like this thing better than the soundbar. Well, the soundbar looks much better, like right below the TV set, looks good, that's it. But if you want the real surround sound, you gotta go for a sound system just like this. So these are the channel speakers, and they're providing the 3-inch, I think, full range woofer. 5 of them, all same, look same, and specifications are same too. And the build quality is very good. The channel speakers are also made out of MDF wood, and at the front side that's the plastic, and the plastic quality is also very nice. And this main unit, this thing is quite heavy, and As you can see, looks very premium. So here you get 5 speakers. You'll get 3 speakers with the same wire length, but 2 speakers come with bigger wire lengths. You can use them for the surround speakers, of course. So now let's quickly connect this thing up and let's check the sound. So everything is connected now and it's all ready to play, and it's connected to my mobile phone. So let's check the Bluetooth sound first. I'm gonna play an NCS song.
Those are days I'm getting closer to unlock my consciousness. The poison's only building up my tolerance. We were never born to be the obvious, isn't it obvious? Time is slipping, dial spinning. I still wonder if I'm dreaming, or maybe I'm the only one who's wide awake. Am I the only one?
Amazing sound, as I told you before, because I was expecting that kind of sound only, and the bass is huge. It's like heavy thumping bass, and the highest quality is like very decent and smooth. So I hope you can understand the sound quality, and really I am liking the bass and the sound smoothness. So let's check some more.
I wonder if I'm dreaming, or maybe I'm the only one who's wide awake. Am I the only one to know where we are? Am I the only one to know where we are? Am I the only watch your step in this torn up town. We're fighting for you to come back home soon. The family's missing you. Last night we see you.
So really I like the sound, and it's much better than any ordinary soundbar below 10,000. So now let's come to the price. This thing will cost you around 6,500 and something like that. And I got this from Flipkart, as I told you. And you may get some credit cards and other bank cards offer. So like around 6,000 to 6,500. Within 6,500, this is a 125 watt RMS speaker system, and believe me, this thing is much, what to say, better, louder than any 500 watt soundbars and all, because they are kind of hoax, as you know, because the small speakers in the soundbar and same wattage and same size of magnet and all, though they sounds like good, but not exactly, you cannot expect exactly the 500 watt RMS from that soundbars and all, because as you know, 500 watt is really huge. 500, 600, 700 watt are coming with the soundbars. This thing is amazing, just 125 watt RMS, and as you heard, the sound is like very clear and smooth, and the bass is like really heavy heart thumping bass, which you can feel. Like it's not gonna hurt your ears like the sound in the Jumanji song, the dum 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 dum. Not that kind of sound. It's heavy sound which you can feel, which sounds very nice when you're listening to music. and the best for watching movies, of course. So that's it. Later I'm gonna do the optical and HDMI sound test, and I'm gonna watch movies on this thing too. So many videos will come later on this home theater system. So stay tuned for more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, hit the like button and share it with all your friends. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.